The way to differentiate yourself as a clothing brand is knowing how to make clothes. Because a lot of people in this creative space, oh, they take a look at this brand and they copy their entire website. They copy their entire creativity. They copy their designs. And I'm like, stop, bro. Like, you are in a very creative space. You aren't supposed to be copying. Creativity comes from you. And you are in a clothing brand space, in a fashion space, and you don't want to be even learning Photoshop, Illustrator, knowing how to sketch, knowing how to choose fabrics, knowing where to choose materials, knowing how to cut and sew, knowing how to draft patterns, and you want to own a clothing brand? Okay, if you want to be an investor or just clothing brand owner with zero creativity at all, that's totally fine. But if you're watching this video, I assume that you are that type of creative person that wants to bring the creativity to the people out there, right? So start from the fundamentals. Craft your craft. I mean, look at these fucking pants, bro. Shout out No Face Studios, alright? But I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but look at this shit. Bro. Like, where do you find exact pants like this?
I don't know.
Exact pants like this. Like, look at the details. Like, bro, study art by itself. A lot of people think that, you know, talent, you're born with being creative, you're born with being talented. No, it's a muscle. It's a muscle that you have to develop. Like any other muscle, you go to the gym, you do whatever else, you cook, you like to cook. By the way, cooking is another form of art, right? So everything is an art itself. And you might not notice this, but everything is a design. The device you're watching this video from, it was designed. So it's an art because there's a chemistry going on. That's what I really wanted to talk about in this quick video, is to really show e-com space full of gurus, is that being like differentiating yourself in a creative space is just being creative. That's it. If you want to work with us, check out our description. If not, whatever. I'll see you in the next. Peace out.